Ladies and gentlemen, when I first laid eyes on the 1974 FMC 2900R Motorhome, I thought to myself, this isn't just a rig. This is a disco-era time capsule with wheels. My buddy Tom once told me his idea of luxury camping was having a tent that didn't leak. Meanwhile, back in '74, FMC was building fiberglass fortresses with engines big enough to scare small cars off the highway. Before we jump in, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss the next time I find a motorhome that looks like it drove straight out of a Bee Gees music video. Now, let's talk about this beast. At 29 feet, 8.8 meters long, the FMC 2900R rides on independent suspension with 19.5-inch, 49-centimeter Alcoa alloy wheels wrapped in Toyo tires. I believe it was designed to look aerodynamic for the 70s, though at nearly 10 feet tall, 3 meters, it still blocks out the sun if you park next to your neighbor. Stopping power comes from 4-wheel drum brakes, which means you'll stop eventually. The rear ladder, tow bar, and utility hookups all scream, ready for the road, while the yellow and white fiberglass body whispers, built in the days when avocado green appliances were high fashion. Under the rear hatch sits a rebuilt 440 Ci Chrysler V8, 7.2 liters, mated to a Torqueflite 727 3-speed automatic. According to the seller, it's been bumped with higher compression and an MSD ignition. Translation, this thing can move. I think it's the only motorhome where you could pass someone on the freeway and still wave at them before your coffee spilled. Step inside, and you're greeted by parquet wood flooring, sliding windows, and an interior that feels equal parts living room and roller rink. The driver's seat and passenger bench are upholstered in orange cloth with vinyl trim, faded but still proudly shouting, "Welcome to 1974. The cockpit includes a realistic CB radio, breaker 19 anyone? The KEC CD stereo, gauges everywhere, and a 100-mile-per-hour speedometer. I liked the most that even though it's half a century old, it still feels like it wants to go fast, though the dinette turning into a bed mid-corner might keep you honest. The galley offers a Norcold refrigerator freezer, 4-burner gas cooktop, oven, and a double sink. There's even a residential-style outlet, proving FMC thought ahead for the day when someone would plug in a toaster while driving through Nevada. The dinette folds down into a bed, while the rear bedroom has twin sofas that convert into a queen. Overhead storage, curtains, and even a flat-screen TV upgrade make it feel surprisingly modern. And yes, there's a bathroom with sink, vanity, toilet, and shower, because real luxury means no midnight jog to the campground outhouse. Dual air conditioners keep things cool, while a catalytic radiant heater replaces the old furnace. I believe that's a smart move, since nobody wants their motorhome to double as a smoke machine. So, what's the price of reliving your 70s road trip dreams? This FMC 2900R just sold for $17,855, which is about 16,500 euros. Considering Charles Kuralt once chose FMC for his travels, that price feels like a bargain for a rig with history, muscle, and undeniable retro charm. Would I take it on Route 66? Absolutely. Would I race my neighbor Steve's minivan with it? Probably, but only if I'm sure the dinette table is locked down first. Check out the official website link under the video for all the details. And folks, if you enjoyed this ride back to the 70s, consider becoming a sponsor for just $1. For less than the price of a gas station burrito and with fewer regrets, you can keep us rolling. Sponsorship link, as always, is in the description under the video.